Exercise 12.2, question number first. Find the area of sector of a circle with radius 6 cm if angle of sector is 60 degree. Given radius of circle is equal to 6 centimeter and angle of sector is equal to 60 degree. Area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square is equal to angle is 60 degree divided by 360 into pi 22 upon 7 into radius is 6 into 6. 0 0 is cancelled. 6 1s are 6 and 6 6 are 36. 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6. Area of sector is equal to 22 into 6 divided by 7. So area of sector is equal to 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13 divided by 7 centimeter square. Answer. Given radius of circle is equal to 6 centimeter and angle of sector is 60 degree, area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square. Theta is 60 degree divided by 360 into pi 22 upon 7 multiplied by r square. R is 6 into 6. 0 0 is cancelled and 6 6 are 36. 6 1s are 6 and 6 1s are 6. 22 into 6 divided by 7. Area of sector 22 multiplied by 6. 22 into 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13. That is area of sector is equal to 132 divided by 7 centimeter square. Answer. Question number 2. Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Given circumference is equal to 22 centimeter and circumference of circle is 2 pi r, that is equal to 22. 2 into pi 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 22 and radius r is equal to 22 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 into 22. 22 is cancelled. So r is equal to 7 upon 2. Its radius. Radius is equal to 7 divided by 2. area of quadrant is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square, and angle theta is equal to 90 degree. Area of quadrant equal to theta, that is angle theta is 90 degree, and 90 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. 0 0 is cancelled, 9 4s are 36, and 7 7 is cancelled. Area of quadrant that is equal to 22 into 7 divided by 4 into 2 into 2. This is cancelled by 11. This implies area is equal to 11 7s are 77 divided by 4 2s are 8 centimeter square. Answer. Given circumference is 22 centimeter and circumference of circle is 2 pi r equal to 22. 2 into pi can be write 22 upon 7 into radius r, that is equal to 22, and radius r is equal to 22. 7 multiplied by 22 and divided by 2 into 22. 22 is cancelled, and we get radius r is equal to 7 divided by 2. It's radius of circle, and area of quadrant is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square, and angle theta equal to 90 degree. In quadrant, angle is equal to 90 degree. 90 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 multiplied by 7 upon 2, 7 upon 2, radius equal to 7. 0 0 is cancelled, and 9 4s are 36. We get 22 into 7 divided by 4 into 2 into 2, and 2 1s are 2, 11 2s are 22. Area of quadrant is equal to 11 7s are 77 divided by 4 2s are 8. Question number 3. The length of a minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Length of a minute hand of a clock is equal to 14 centimeter. Angle swept in 5 minutes is equal to 360 divided by 60 multiplied by 5. This is cancelled, and 6 6 are 36. Then angle theta is equal to 6 5 6 are 30 degree. We get angle theta equal to 30 degree. Area swept in 5 minutes is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square into 14 into 14, that is equal to 30 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 multiply by 14 into 14. 0 0 is cancelled, and 12 3s are 36, 7 2s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, and 11 2s are 22. This implies area is equal to 11 into 14 divided by 3. Area equal to 14 into 11, that is 154 upon 3 centimeter square. Answer. Length of a minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter and area and angle swept in 5 minutes. Angle theta equal to 360 upon 60 multiplied by 5 minutes, 5 upon 60. Then angle, we get angle 0 0 is cancelled, 6 6 are 36, and 6 5s are 30 degree. Angle theta equal to 30 degree. Area of swept in 5 minutes, that is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Angle, we get angle 30 degree, 30 upon 360 multiply by pi is 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. 0 0 is cancelled, 3 12 3s are 36, and 12, that is 6 2s are 12, and 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6, and 11 2s are 22. Then we get area is equal to 11 multiplied by 14 and divided by 3. Area equal to 14 11s are 154 divided by 3 centimeter square. Answer. Thank you so much.